Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll see how we can install VirtualBox on a Windows PC, and we can also use the same process to upgrade VirtualBox if we have the old version. Now in my case here, I already have VirtualBox installed, and the version, if I go to help, it's 6.1, and the look is going to change once I upgrade it to 7.1. For instance, this icon is going to change. And there is also other changes that you'll see in the new version. For instance, if I go to new, the window is going to be a little different. And also if you have a virtual machine already installed and you want to change the settings, if for instance I click on this and go to settings, the window that I get in the new version is going to be also quite different than this one. So let's go ahead and download the new VirtualBox and then install it. So let me close this out. Open a browser, and then we want to search for VirtualBox download. Then go to virtualbox.org, and since we are running this on a Windows PC, we go with Windows host, and it shouldn't take too long to download. The file size is about 106 megabytes. So it's done. Now I can close this out. I'll open my file explorer, and this is the new VirtualBox 7.1. This is the older one. So to install it, just double click on this file, click yes, and as you can see the icon is different here. Let me minimize this. I'll click next, I accept, next, next, yes, yes, next, install. Should be a quick install, and as you can see we have the new VirtualBox icon here, which is different, and I can click finish and start it. So there you are, new icon, new look. And like I was saying, if we go to new, it's a little different. And another thing you'll see, if you have a virtual machine already and you want to make changes to the settings, if you right click on it, go to settings, and you see how this is new look with two options, basic and expert, as far as the options for your virtual machine. So that's it for this video. That's how we can download and install VirtualBox on a Windows PC. And like I said earlier, we can use the same process to upgrade our VirtualBox if we have the old version and want to try the newer one. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.